How to remove someone from best friend list without removing from friends on Snapchat. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's tutorial we will learn how we can remove someone from best friend list on Snapchat without removing them from your friend list. So without further ado, let's get started. In order to do so, you can change the interactions with the person. Your best friend list on Snapchat is determined by how frequently you interact with someone. Now, to remove someone from your best friend list without unfriending them, you can change your interaction pattern. So for that, you can reduce the snapping. Avoid sending them snaps for a while and do not reply to their snap. If you usually respond to their snap, avoid replying for a while and then minimize chatting. You can limit your interaction in chat and stories. So instead of sending snap to the person, you can send snap to other person. Snapchat determines your best friend based on how frequently you interact with others. So start snapping your other friends more frequently to push the friends off your best friend list. And then you have to wait for Snapchat to update. Snapchat's best friend list updates automatically based on your interaction. So once your activity with the person decreases, they will eventually move off your best friend list. So in this way, you can remove someone from best friend list without removing or unfriending them on Snapchat. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.